We are pleased to show you the 2016 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, HD radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, panic alarm. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.